we're number 10.
Sorry?
We're 10. I'm guessing they'll be last. No, they'll be 11 and 12, I should think. There's nothing on them, is there, some of them?
Sorry?
There's no meat on some of them.
No.